In today's episode, I do a wheelie. Some sheep run in a field. Hello sheep. And Hoppo needs a wee.
And yeah, and I'm dying for a wee.
What's up guys, it's your boy Gripping Rip. Welcome back to what is a Gripping Rip special. You join me outside of Yoo-Hoo's Sandwich Van, which is currently closed, but we are here to meet a very special man. A man called Hoppo. And we are going camping. Now, Hoppo and I have never been camping before. Not together certainly, so we're going to go easy and we're going to go glamping, a couple of pods and a bed. But before any of that happens, I am stuck on the A34 waiting for the man himself. Nothing ever changes, does it, Hoppo? Always late. Oh well, I will join you back when he comes back. Until then, peace. Hoppo has arrived, I am here, Hoppo has got his luggage, I've got my luggage, which I'll be doing a review on this bike, bloody brilliant. Let's go camping. Right, we are about 2-3 miles away from our destination. We've just stopped at Lidl's to get some supplies, some bacon, some beverages, and it's going to be a good night. So I figured I'd get this bit on my face mount. Having some camera difficulties today, like I always do. It's just a common joke on this channel at this point, but we're going to go for it.
By the way guys, by the time you've watched this vlog, England will be European champions.
Yes,
guarantee ya.
The game is tonight and we are looking forward to sitting down and watching it this evening. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. Let's go. Okay, we're going down the bicycle bit, are we? Okay. Oh, this looks narrow. This looks really narrow. Ooh. Look at this place, it's so pretty. Have you worked out where we are yet? I'm sorry, it's got to be done again. Suddenly we've plunged into the world of Jurassic Park. And it's really quite dark in here. Whoa, this is a steep hill. Oh, gravel. We don't like gravel. Oh my days, this hill. Oh, sheep. Gravel hill. This is gonna be a success. Hello, sheep. It's so bumpy. Oh my god. Bah! To you too. Oh, but don't stop. Don't stop. A gravel hill start is not what I need right now. Campsite! Woo! All these people fantastically happy to see me turn up with my ridiculously loud bike. So this is going to be our little home for the night. One of these little pods. This is the Iron Gorge or Iron Bridge camping spot. Look at the views, I mean. Rolling hills as far as the eye can see. I'm going to go get ourselves checked in and then we'll show you which one of these little pods is ours and give you a little tour, I guess. So we finally made it, and this is our little home from home. Got our little table and chairs, fire pit for the barbecue, the table. This is our pod. Welcome to my humble abode. A couple of beds, cooler, kettle, nice place to hang the gear, a mirror. Hello. It's basically everything that you need. You walk outside onto your nice little patio and look at the world around you. Absolutely beautiful. Hoppo, what's in that bag that you've just brought around?
Well, we've just been given some
Ooh.
Wow, that's a big, you wouldn't want to get it over the head with that. Yeah, so we've been given some little fire starters.
A little bit of kindling.
Kindling, oh that's the word, kindle. Kindle. I'm not really experienced camper, as you can tell. Kindling, so all that's supposed to burn. And yeah, I would recommend, so far so good guys. The setting's perfect, I would recommend it. And yeah, and I'm dying for a wee.
On that note, we're going to get ourselves set up and crack on with setting up, I guess. We'll speak to you guys in a little bit.
We certainly will do.
Look at this guys, we've got the fire going, thanks to my jet lighter and some fire lighters. We'll put the grill on there, get some meat going, got some sausages and some bacon. A lot of works here, honestly. This evening is going to be so good. It's going to be so good. We've got some drinks, watching the football on the iPad. We've even got the sleeping bag set up now. Mine, Hoppo's, his high visibility bag. That's sturdy, that is, hang on. Do you know, I've got doors at home that are softer than that. Fire's died down a little bit now, so it's time for the sausage. Go on, get him on. Beautiful. Oh, the little sizzle. Beautiful. The first baps are done. Sausages, crispy onions, cheese, bread, all on the barbie. Toasted buns.
Boom, boom, boom.
He's got mustard on his. I don't understand why he like mustard.
French mustard.
French mustard.
It's not the English mustard that goes up your nose. This is more taste.
I'll stick with ketchup myself.
There you go for it, mate.
Look at that. Right, I'm going to tuck in, guys, and I'll see you up in a little bit. Guys, we have literally picked the best day to go glamping, because not only have we got this incredible view, this incredible food, incredible company.
Ah, come on England, well done.
But we've just won the Euros. If that's not worth a like, I don't know what is. So guys, the sun is starting to set. Just look at that sky. It's been a great day. And we've got so much planned still for tomorrow. Right, it has been an absolutely splendid first day. But right now, we're going to hit the hay, because it's dark and it's about midnight. So, we'll catch you guys in the morning for a little bit of an adventure on day 2.
The Ripper. He's still... Guys, he's still bloody sleeping. He's sleeping in that helmet. Ripper. Hang on, let me have to hit the visor. Ripper.
Ugh.
Do you ever take that helmet off?
Never.
So you slept all night in that helmet? You slept all night in the helmet?
It's a part of who I am. Of course I did.
Guys, you've heard it from the man himself. It's a part of who he is. He slept in that helmet all bloody night. Honestly, mate, you're so lazy. Any chance you can get up and help with the breakfast or what?
Oh, I suppose so.
Some people.
What are we doing this morning then, Hoppo?
And I'm dying for a wee. I'm gonna whack some bacon on the grill, mate. Thought we'd get a little bit of streaky on there. We've got to cook the lot, by the way. Not taking it back.
Yeah, we've got the fire going again this morning. We've put some bacon, we've got some rolls, got some bacon baps on the go. And that is how we do that.
One last.
Just toasting the bun.
Getting the old bacon juice and the bacon. Dal apologise, no.
And that was something Italian by our Italian stallion Hoppo. Me, I'm going to tuck into this bacon. Right, our stay at the Pea Pod is at an end, but the adventure is not over. We're packed up, ready to go, and we're going to go to the Cardboard Bridge. We'll see you guys there. Peace.